An African safari is the trip of a lifetime. Seeing these incredible animals in their natural habitat is truly magical. However, planning such a trip can be a little bit daunting, especially if it is your first time visiting Africa or planning a trip to this part of the world. That is why today we have put together a quick guide to help you plan your first African safari. Each season has its own unique highlights, so it is important to do your research and decide which one is right for you. One of the most popular options is a classic game drive safari where you will spend your days exploring the bush in an open 4x4 vehicle. But there are some essentials that you should always bring along. Medical care in some African countries can be expensive, so it is important to have insurance that covers any unexpected medical costs. Trip cancellation insurance can also come in handy if you have to cancel your trip for any reason. And lost baggage insurance can help you replace any items that are lost or stolen while on your safari. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Be sure to read the fine print and make sure that your policy covers all of the activities you plan to do on your safari, such as game drives, walking safaris, and any other adventure activities. Be sure to pack light, comfortable clothing in neutral colors such as khaki and olive green. Learn about the animals and wildlife you'll be seeing, as well as the local culture and customs. It may take some time to spot animals, especially if you're going during the green season when the vegetation is thicker. Second, don't forget your camera. You won't want to forget this essential item, so make sure you bring it along. Third, stay quiet. Talking loudly can scare away animals, so be sure to stay quiet on game drives and walking safaris. Fourth, listen to your guide. Your guide is there to help you have a safe and enjoyable safari, so be sure to listen to their instructions. Finally, enjoy the experience. A safari is truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. With a little planning and preparation, you can have an amazing safari experience. By following these tips, you'll be sure to have the safari of your dreams. So start planning your trip today and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. This will help you make the most of your safari experience. You should also familiarize yourself with some basic phrases in the local language. This will help you connect with the local people and show respect for their culture. Finally, be sure to get plenty of rest before your safari. You'll be up early for game drives and walking safaris, so it is important to be well rested. These colors are less likely to attract insects and are more in keeping with the surroundings. You should also pack long-sleeve shirts and pants to protect yourself from the sun and insect bites. Other items to pack include a hat, sunglasses, sunscreen, insect repellent, binoculars, camera equipment, and plenty of memory cards and batteries. Do not forget to also pack a good pair of walking shoes as well as sandals or flip-flops for around the lodge or camp. You may also want to bring along some warm clothing such as a fleece or jacket, as evenings can get chilly in the bush. This is a great way to see large herds of animals such as elephants, giraffes, and zebras. Another option is a walking safari, which allows you to get up close and personal with nature. Led by experienced guides, these safaris are a great way to see smaller animals and learn about the bush. There are also special interest safaris available, such as bird watching, photography, and cultural tours. No matter what type of safari you choose, be sure to choose a reputable tour operator with experienced guides. They will be able to take you to the best spots and help you see all the animals you want to see. For example, the dry season, which typically occurs from June to October, is the best time to go on safari as the weather is cooler and the animals are easier to spot. Some countries are more expensive than others, so keep that in mind when planning your budget. Once you arrive in Africa, you'll need to get to your safari destination. Most international airports have connecting flights to smaller regional airports near safari areas. From there, you'll typically take a road transfer to your lodge or camp. Be sure to factor in the cost of getting to your safari destination when planning your budget. For accommodation, there are a variety of options available, from luxury lodges to budget campsites. Choose the option that best fits your needs and budget. And if you're looking for a truly unique experience, consider staying at a mobile camp. Mobile camps are small groups of tents that are set up in different locations throughout the year, giving you a more intimate and immersive safari experience. The rainy season, on the other hand, which usually takes place from November to May, can make game viewing more challenging due to the heavy vegetation. However, it is also a great time to see newborn animals and experience the lush landscapes. If you're interested in seeing the Great Migration, then you should plan your trip between July and October as that's when the wildebeest and zebra herds are moving through the Serengeti and Masai Mara. No matter when you decide to go, be sure to pack for all types of weather as conditions can change quickly in Africa. Number 1. Decide which country to visit. Africa is a huge continent, and there are many countries where you can go on safari. Each country has something unique to offer. For example, South Africa is known for its abundance of wildlife and variety of landscapes, from lush rainforests to vast open plains. Kenya and Tanzania are popular destinations for those looking to see the Great Migration, while Botswana and Zambia offer incredible walking safaris. There are also countries like Rwanda and Uganda that are famous for gorilla trekking. To decide which country to visit, consider what you want to see and do on your safari. Do some research on the different countries and choose the one that best fits your interests. You should also think about the time of year you plan to travel and any specific lodges or camps you have in mind. Once you have decided on a country, start looking for tours or book a guided safari. Number 2. Choose the right time to go. The best time to go on an African safari depends on what you want to see and do. Number 3. Consider the different safari options. There are several different types of safaris to choose from. Number 4. Book your flights and accommodation. When booking your flights, consider the time of year you're traveling and the cost of living in each country. Number 5. Pack for your safari. What you pack for your safari will depend on the time of year you are traveling and the activities you plan to do. Number 6. Get travel insurance. It's important to get travel insurance that covers medical expenses, trip cancellation, and lost baggage. Number 7. Prepare for the safari experience. Before you go on your safari, it is important to prepare yourself for the experience. Number 8. Important tips for your safari. There are a few important tips to keep in mind for a successful safari. First, be patient. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments section below. We appreciate your feedback and suggestions for future videos.